Hi children, welcome back in our online English classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous class, we have started the lesson, our five senses, and we have taught some part of this lesson. Now please open your books on the page number 134, and today we have to learn from this page only. So let's see what is given here. Previously we learned that we have five powers. Okay, God has given us five powers of senses that are sight. Okay, we have seen, and sight means what? Which organ is it? Eye. Okay, so it allows us to see whatever is around us, shapes, size, and different colors. Now let's learn about it. Our eyes work much like a camera. Each eye has an adjustable opening called the iris. Through this opening, the light enters the eye. It has lens that helps to form an image on a sensitive film called retina. This film is at the back of the eye, and the eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve. And this nerve sends message to the brain of the image formed on the retina. Then the brain tells us what object we are looking at. So dear students, here how the eye system works, it is given in stepwise. And we have learned some parts, some names of it. Okay. As we have seen that eye works as a camera, and each eye has an adjustable opening also. So our eyes have opening. Okay. And it is called iris. So the opening area known as iris. You can see here diagram also given. Okay. First of all, we will understand this paragraph. So opening is called iris, and through this opening the light enters the eye. Means when we open our eyes, so iris is there at the opening only, and through that iris light enters in our eye. Okay, then it has a lens that helps to form an image on sensitive film called retina. Now second part of eyes is given here, retina. Okay, retina works as a film. It is a sensitive part, film, and what happens here? Here the light create a film image on that retina. Okay, the image is formed on a retina. This film is at the back of the eye. So where is this? Where is this retina? At the back side, we can see here. This is retina. Okay. Iris is given here, and this is retina at the back side. Then the eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve. And one more thing, our eye is connected with our brain. Each organ is connected with the brain with nerves. So eye also connected with our brain with a nerve, and that nerve is known as optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve. This nerve sends message to the brain of the image formed on the retina, and then the brain tells us what object we are looking at. So suppose I am looking at this pen. So first of all, light enters from my iris to retina, and on retina one image is formed there, and through the optic nerve, that optic nerve give message to brain of this image, and then my brain is telling to me that this is a pen. Understood? Now let's see this diagram carefully. Human figure, okay? Retina, this is optic nerve to brain. This is iris, pupil is given there. Human figure right way up. Now here one human is there and he stood in right way up. So light rays comes in retina, enters in our iris. Okay. Now it creating an image and that image is wrong way up. मतलब जो असल में कोई पोजीशन सीधे पोजीशन में एक आदमी खड़ा है वो हमें रेटिना के ऊपर उल्टी पोजीशन में दिखता है. ओके, ह्यूमन फिगर रॉन्ग वे अप. नाउ it works like camera and this is our lens. Okay, so you can see in your textbook also. Now let's see next downside what is given here. Now second organ we have to learn here, that is about hearing. Okay, first of all we learn about sight, now hearing. Hearing is the sense that allows us to pick up sound. The sense organ that makes this possible is the ear. Okay, so this ear is also one sense organ and it allows us to listen different sounds. This is also one type of power only given by Almighty God. Now, God has given us two ears. We have pairs of ears. We have pairs of eyes. Okay. So, each ear has three main parts. The outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. So, each ear has three parts. About eyes also we have learned three parts. Okay. Iris, retina, optic nerve. Here also we are going to learn three parts. Outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. So the outer ear is the part we can see. Means when we see an ear, this outer ear, this is ear. Okay. So this is the outer ear which we can see. It has tube that leads into the head, and here we have one tube, one small pipe. It leads to the where head. Okay. The outer ear collects the sound waves and sends them to the middle ear. So what does this outer ear do? It functions to catch the voice, the sound, and send it into middle ear. Now, at the entrance of the middle ear, there is a thin skin called the eardrum. Okay, now students, you highlight and learn this word. Eardrum. E-A-R-D-R-U-M. Okay, now here also we have to highlight this entrance. Now, at the opening or at the beginning of this middle ear, there is one thin skin is there and that is known as eardrum. Okay, it moves to and fro when a sound strikes against it. So what happens here? When sound comes inside at the middle ear, at that skin, it moves. It moves. How does it move? It moves like where it is given here. Strikes against it. The inner ear has in it a kind of liquid vibrations. So there is a thin skin called the eardrum and it moves to and fro. Okay. And when a sound strikes against it, the inner ear has in it a kind of liquid. What is here in our ear? A kind of liquid. Vibrations are caused in this liquid when the eardrum moves and the auditory nerve Now here also one nerve is there, and that is known as auditory nerve. While learning about sight, we learn optic nerve and here auditory nerve. Okay. So in the liquid, and this conveys the message to the brain. Then the brain tells us what the sound is. So here also we have seen how the ear do work. Okay, how ear's function is. So students, now let's observe this figure. We can see here this is outer ear. Okay, this is our ear which we see from outside. This is outer part, outer ear, and this is small ear tube or ear pipe, ear passage. Okay, now this one is the drum. Here this is ear drum, and middle ear, inner ear, and this is the nerve which connected with the brain. This is known as auditory nerve to the brain. Okay, students, and this is the tube to the throat. This tube turns towards the throat. So I hope you understood this video, students. You have to draw these two pictures of eye as well as ear. These two diagrams you have to draw carefully, learn their parts names and their spellings, and send to me. Okay, I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.